Friends, let's learn what are the major impediments to love. Number one, expectations. We have expectations towards our parents, our partner, our children, our friends, our colleagues, to the society, to the country. When I say expectation, you want the other person to function in a way you think is right. You may be right, but the world may not function in the way you think is right all the time. Therefore, expectations which are unfulfilled causes huge disappointments. Understand, friends, stagnant relationships creates a lot of unfulfilled expectations. Expectations which are fulfilled, you are blessed. Life is peaceful. Expectations not fulfilled for a certain period of time or a considerable period of time creates enormous stress and strain in our lives. So watch out with your expectations. Then the second aspect is ego. I've coined the expansion for the word ego, ego, exaggerated glorification of oneself. That's ego. The need and necessity to prove that you are better than others all the time creates a lot of impediments to you and to others. I've never found an egoistic person being happy and peaceful. They may portray on social media that they are happy, but internally they're very insecure, very fearful. Ego makes you a perpetual beggar. Watch out, friends. Ego takes the form of an either superiority complex or an inferiority complex. So it doesn't help you. In fact, ego creates far greater problems than anything else in life. Instead of sacrificing your ego and saving relationships, most people sacrifice their precious relationships and save their ego. At what cost, friends? Watch out. At what cost? Number three, judgment. Love and judgment can never coexist. When you're a victim of your ego and your expectations, you have a very limited information to process, and this will make you to create certain opinions about people and places and life's experiences. As a result, you become judgmental. Your expectations, your ego, and judgments creates huge impediments in life. So watch out, friends. In fact, this doesn't help you to experience what is an essential quality called love. You should free yourself of expectations, ego, and judgment so that you can experience this blissful quality of love. Watch out, friends.